Hey, hi, and welcome to the 5 Minutes Friday. Hey, you know what? I like these kind of things and I like to work with it. So today in the 5 Minutes Friday, I'm gonna show you how you work with these.
Well, I do think I need to explain a couple of things about our tufts. We have several kinds of. We have our layered tufts who are built up with several lengths of fibers. They range from 2 to 6 millimeters and even 12 millimeters, but also in several layers. Flowered with weeds, long weeds. We have original, ordinary, single tufts, and they're all built up on a sheet of plastic. This is what you need. Tweezers. I like bended ones and also pointed ones. A glue. I like the Uhu Alleskleber, a multi-purpose glue. I did stick a needle on top of it just because it's easier to add the glue at the spots you want to have it. And then you peel off the tufts from the sheet. Yeah, just stick the point underneath it. And yeah, and add a bit of glue. And stick it on the surface. Well, doesn't sound that hard. It's quite easy, I think. So you work your way around. Most of the time I do one color for the first time. So we try to fill the entire surface a little bit, but take care that you leave gaps in between. Stick your tweezers underneath the tufts, remove them from the surface, add some glue, and stick them on the surface where you want to have them. Remember to leave room for more and other colors. Well, yeah, man, it's easy, I think. Like this, the next run we do is we take some 2x2s, on a 2x4s I must say. They're a little bit more to the late default tones, more beige, I can pronounce that pretty good. And you stick these between the gaps you left. And so you work your way around again. Try to figure out what looks natural, what doesn't. Not that tough, I must say. For me, it's easy. So we work our way around and add more and more tufts, more colors, until we're pretty satisfied and fill the entire surface. But as you notice, we still leave gaps in between, just to fill them with more beige tones or something. Single tufts or weeds. I like weeds. They look pretty cool. And as an add-on in between, the static grass looks extremely realistic. So that's what we do. And there's a little trick in this. Take 3, take 5, but it's the rule of odd numbers, I always use odd numbers when it comes to this kind of work, Single tufts in different colors, couple of weeds, until it's all the way you like it. Sounds easy. Maybe it is easy. I don't know. But it takes a little bit of practice, like everything does in life. So as you can see here, we just add more colors, more weeds, low weeds, high weeds, single tufts, and layered tufts in colors that match each other. Sometimes I use a little bit of a contrasting color just to add a little bit of interest, Well, there are more kind of things you can do. It's more or less to your likings, and as said before, practice and look at the real thing. And please do not forget to burnish the edges. That's one of the main important things, just to get the edges straight to the surface. Well, we should talk about glues a little bit more. It's not only that I use this Uhu Alleskleber or multi-purpose glue. I use a glue all, a wood glue, Mod Podge, tacky glue, school glue, almost any kind of glue you can find. Just add a drop, add some on the tuft, and place the tuft in place. The only difference is that you can't burnish them. Well, that's it for today. Please don't forget to like or subscribe if you like the content and want to see more. See ya!